Hey folks, Kusmal Designs here, and this is part 8 of the HK 1/32nd scale B-25B Doolittle build. So for the past week, we've been working on the nose section of the plane, and as you can see, we're about 90% complete on that. Still a little bit more detail to go in there, but I think it's high time we do a video just to give you an idea of what we've done and the material we used. So it's kind of, just somewhat put together there just to give you an idea of what it's all going to look like when complete. Obviously we got more to come with the radio room and whatnot, but that obviously will come at a later date. So we'll just separate this for now and talk about what we've done here. So obviously lots of detail in there, lots to talk about here today. So right off the bat, you probably noticed there is a machine gun in there. Now that is in the stowed position. That's obviously not for in flight and in the shooting position. That is stowed. And what that is from this company right here. I've never used them before, this gas patch models. You get two in a little clamshell package. And this is a very, very nice, resin gun here. Comes in these little parts right there. And you don't have to do anything. There's no, no flash, no nothing actually. I just basically put it together. The barrel didn't even glue. I just, basically stuck it in the hole and it was done. The barrel is straight as can be. And I just glued this piece on and that was it. I'll just flip this over. So obviously you can position whatever you want there. They do make other machine guns and whatnot. Obviously you can have the one with the pistol grip, things like that, but we were after this right here, right? That kind of handle system. So a little bit of scratch building needs to be done, right? Because I have it, mounted on right there in the stowed position, so I had to scratch build those parts right there to make it look like it's mounted in. And of course I had a PE flip sight that I mounted in there. I don't know if you can, it's kind of hard to get the camera angle, but you can see it right there. And it is mounted in. Perfect. So, and then of course you see the first aid kit right in there. Now that's just using Duplicata's red flags, Red Cross flags. I just found the one that I thought was appropriate for the size. And then I added some styrene plastic, about that thick, just to give it some beef. And I stuck it in right there because they did add first aid kits to the planes just prior to the mission. I guess from reading Mr. Briscoe's book, which is an excellent read, they had a heck of a time trying to even get some first aid materials for their planes. So I could have went with the OD bag or just the standard white first aid boxes. It wasn't really understood which one they used, so I could have went either way with which one I decided to go with, but I decided to go with the white just to give the plane some color, right? I don't want everything just blending and you can't see anything, so that's what I decided to go with. And then of course you see, we've got cartons of cigarettes right there, and again, that's using the Duplicata there. He's got some awesome stuff, so I went with those, and of course we've seen these before with the singles. So not only is that adding detail, that's actually hiding, some holes that you would have seen, right? Because this was meant for a B-25J. So there would have been holes there for, mounting the 50 cals and whatnot for the J version of this plane. So same with the life vests right there. That would have been other details for the later variants of planes. So not only is that adding detail to my model, it's actually hiding, details that shouldn't be there. So perfect. And then we got the Edward sets, and then I added just white thread to simulate wires, and of course I had to drill holes so I can run them through. And if you look closely, there's an Edward headset there, and then I added thread for the wire. And then if I flip this around, there's a Duplicata map of Japan, and then again more wires. And then if you look close, there's the Mark Twain sight, or the 20-cent sight. That is a complete scratch build. That is just using the PE sets and then just me, cutting them up and shaping them and bending. That's all that is. It's hard to get an angle on there, but that's all that is. And then the bicycle seat that you see, that would have been in the tail section, and then I just scratch built the support out of, you know, extra model pieces that I could find. But the 20-cent sight, that's the hardest thing is trying to find the scale. And I think I got it right. Mr. Briscoe in the comments section there will tell me if I got it right or wrong. So obviously there's going to be a few more details to come. I'm, you know, trying to get the right size, and I'm going to have to scratch build them myself. Obviously the ammo cans, there'll be one going there, and then there'll be some ammo cans going here, and obviously there's a seat right here with a head, you know, rest. So a few more details to come in the nose, and then, you know, we'll be moving on obviously to the radio compartment and whatnot there. If you're interested in what the Edwards set, some of the interior stuff I used, it's just this set right here. And that's pretty much it. And you're not using all of them, right? Because this is meant for a J. But I do recommend getting this set because this set here comes with the floor. As you can see, you do obviously have to detail it up yourself. But you can see the floor set right there. Otherwise, this is just a flat piece of plastic with no detail if you don't use that Edwards set. So it's up to you what you want to do there. But there we go. It's just kind of a quick video today. I'm going to keep going on this. And I got some other build videos coming up that I have saved up. So you might want to stick around for those with other builds. So thanks so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I look forward to your comments. Thanks so much.